All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on 8.4, question 14. A great story problem, similar to 13, but this time we have a lot more context to it. It says Atu now has $28.50 and is saving $8.75 a week. And Beth now has $104.75 and is spending $6.50 a week from her savings. In how many weeks will they have the exact same amount of money? So if you think about before we start calculating this, Beth has more money than Atu. But as Beth starts to spend her money and Atu starts to save his money, eventually Atu is going to have more money than Beth as he saves per week. But we're looking for at what point will Beth and Atu's money be the same? Okay. So when we look at this question, our sentence says how many weeks will it be the same amount of money? And that's our clue to determine what we're going to define our variable as. So we're going to make x the number of weeks because that's what we're looking for, how many weeks, right? So our first step is always define our variable. Our second step is to create expressions for Atu and for Beth. Since Atu has 28.50, we're going to use that as our constant. Plus, he is saving $8.75 per week. So we're going to take the number of weeks x and we're going to multiply it by x. So the amount of money Atu has is $28.50 plus an additional $8.75 for every week. Whereas Beth, who's a lovely individual, by the way, I met her, she's great, has $104.75. However, she is spending, which is a negative coefficient, $6.50 every week. So now we have two algebraic expressions that represent the money that each have. Since we're looking for the balance between them, the equality, we can actually create this into an equation. Atu's money must be equal to Beth's money. Obviously, when we have variables on both sides, we're going to get rid of it by creating those algebraic zero pairs by adding an equal amount to that to get rid of it in zero pair. 28.50 plus 14.15.25 x. Sorry, that was supposed to be an x there. Is equal to 104.75. If I make a mistake, just let me know because I don't want to make a whole video with me making mistakes. Subtract 28.50 from both sides to get rid of your constant. And 15.25x will equal, can't do that in my head, calculator, 104.75, take away 28.50, 76.25. Divide both sides by the coefficient. Have I made a mistake yet? Am I okay? We're good? And the answer is 5. X equals 5. So therefore, since x is the number of weeks, therefore, the number of weeks, or after 5 weeks, they will have the same amount of money. The number of weeks is 5.